What's going on, guys? Another video, another explore, standard thing. It is absolutely freezing today. It's minus 5.5. I'm not gonna moan though, because it's minus 53 in America. And look at it. It is crisp. And today's subject, Hoarders house. That's what's happening. I believe there are a couple of cars here as well. Quite a few have done it. Shout out Clyde and Planets, he dropped it over to me. Nonetheless, let's get into it. Here we go. This is gorgeous. Look at that Escort van, man. It's brilliant. Talking a bit quiet just because there's a house on the other side over there. That looks very much lived in. This is cool. Ford key code. Awesome. Tax discs. Oh, look what's lurking in the trees, guys. Wow. Look about Bedford. Damn, that's cool. That's very, very cool, actually. Literally imploding on itself. Garage of all sorts. Again, pretty cool. Look at this. As you can see, guys, there's reminiscence of stuff everywhere. This I happen to love. Like you fitted some after market lighting in at one point. This is cool. Very cool. Alright, let's enter this beauty. Always when you go into these places, it's just like going into someone's past. Oh, it'd be interesting to see if there was one of them Escorts here. Oh, this is cute. Stunning, absolutely stunning. The bed up on the side. Guy like to drink, I can't blame him. Calendar, there we go. 2000. So that gives you some sort of inkling. That means if that van's been parked here since then, it was only been about 6-7 years old when it was parked up. Yeah, that's a bit dodgy, guys, don't I? Make it any worse. Wow. Oh man, personalised pictures, everything. It's sad. Literally, it's been ransacked. That's what annoys me about with these places. People just come in here, look for whatever treasures they can get, just steal it. No respect. Such whiskey. Oh, gun cabinet. Man, obviously the old pads for when he was in his old age, I'm guessing, coming continent. Wow, we'd even start. San Miguel unopened. Wow. Now that's gorgeous. Days like today, you can just imagine it sitting by the fire like this dude is, trying to get some heat. Alcohol everywhere. BMW brochure. Stores. The old larder, I do believe the older generation calls it. Beans, this is unbelievable. Literally, just like he's just left. Can you imagine this place before it was ransacked? Fridges. Unbelievable, guys. Clocks. Apologies, I know it's a bit dark in here. A bit noisy as you bump along in here also. I can't help it. The old irons, they're quite cool. Silver markets. And then we're back outside to where the van is. Right. I want to show you walking back through, but let's get upstairs. I know we said we're doing the upstairs first, but I forgot about this room. You literally can't get in. And that's where everything was just boxed in. Boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff. Of what, I don't know. And I'm respectful, I don't exactly go through people's trashes or treasures, as they say. But let's take the show upstairs. Who's that? Tell you who that is. That's Mrs. Jordan Thomas. Mrs. Exploring with Boss. That likes to hide out the camera. Hello.
No. Hello.
That's wifey, that's who that is. Okay, bit of a different story up here then. Again. Mo beer. What a guy. Right, when's that? 2004, that newspaper is, right. Let's go up here first. Weighing scales. Oh man. Ashes, ashes. It's a bit sad. Probably once their home they loved, and this is how it is now. Ransacked. Obviously a guy that was into cars, etc. Judging by car mags everywhere. Comics. Are they comics? Look and learn. Enslaved children. Glasses. Keys. So they are the keys to the Bedford van outside. That's sad. So many photo opportunities in here, guys and girls. Wow. My clothes hanging up. Sad. Room 1 done. Let's go to room 2. Oh wow. British flag up. You can't even walk in it. I feel awful just to even stand on stuff. My name's Pablo. Daktari. Wow. This is just clothes, I think, hopefully. Stay respectful. Oh, look at the case. The old shipping label on it. Bergen Line. That's cool. Very cool. Photos. Kids' annuals everywhere. Probably very collectible books. You know, you got Action Man there, 1980. Shipwrecks and Sunken Treasure. Hotspur, amazing. Isn't that Space? 1 second, guy. Oh no, Black Hole. I thought that was Space 1999 then. Action Man. Wow. Dukes of Hazzard. That's cool. Very cool. Let's move on to the other side. If you can get in, that is. That lady's dress, bless him. Wow. Can't even open the door. Wow. Literally, guys, you can't even move around in here. Bloody hell. I know it's nice to have objects in the house, but I think this is a bit too much. What the hell's going on in here? Rackings. Alcohol. Right, I think that's enough for the inside of the house. There's a barn outside I want to have a little look at, / garage, whatever it is. Let's take some pictures in here. Pick it up outside. As promised, I'd pick it up outside. There's stuff everywhere. Man's lifetime collection. Look at all this. I think this is a bit the birds love. But wow. Let's take you through and let's have a look at the barn. So you want to see, you can get in there. Trees everywhere. Probably just didn't pick the easiest way, but ow. That's what happens when you're my size, you don't fit in stuff. Just take it with it. Right, here we go. Now we're talking. Oh, chest. Wow. Tool, car parts. See a gearbox up there. Stuff everywhere. This guy literally kept it all as most of the older generation do. Wow. Bicycle like the looks of it. Owner's handbook. Oh. Glamour catalogue. Naughty naughty. Makes you think what's in all these trunks. Well, that's empty. Near enough empty. Wow. So there we go, guys and girls. That's the first explore of the day done. See you next Tuesday. Take it easy. Peace and love. Boss out.